Looking to build a hi-fi system? Not sure what you need? In this film, we're going to talk about the different music players or sources that you can have in your system. Okay, let's get started. A music source is what you use to play your music on. So a source could be a CD player, turntable, network player, or even a smartphone. The main thing you'll want to think about is how you like to listen to your music at home. If you usually listen to your music digitally through streaming services or with music files on your computer, smartphone, or USB drive, you should think about adding a network player to your system. Network players, or streamers, let you stream music over your home Wi-Fi network or via a Bluetooth connection, using services like Spotify or Apple Music. They even give you access to thousands of internet radio stations from all over the world. Have a large CD collection? Well, there are plenty of great CD players out there you can add to your system. And if you're enjoying the recent vinyl revival, it's worth investing in a turntable to make the most of your record collection. Remember, turntables output very quiet audio signals that need increasing for your amplifier. A phono stage can bridge this gap. Some units already have this phono stage built in, but if not, don't worry, you can get a separate one for your system. So, we hope we've answered some of your questions on the various sources for your hi-fi. For more information on sources, visit our website. Or if you want to find out more about the other parts of a hi-fi system, check out our other films in this series. Happy listening.